Hey, so you're gonna put this on in the front. You gotta have a buddy when you do this, okay? And then you're gonna pull it tight, pull it tight in the back, okay? So the first thing you have to do is do your first knot. So once you tie that first knot there, make it kind of loose, then you're gonna pull the front all the way back and then tuck in all of the edges. Okay, you wanna make sure it doesn't pull up in the front as you're tucking in all the edges, and you'll have to make adjustments while you're doing it. Okay, so now the back should have a bunch, but it should also have two long tendrils. Okay, you're going to tighten that when everything is tucked in there, like so. Tighten that here, and then you're going to do a second knot, and that's going to secure everything in its spot. Okay, so then you'll have two long tendrils coming down, and then in the front should be here. You can to make sure hair is tucked inside and all of that jazz.